Even do that today.
Rip it. Just go.
Little birthday boy.
He's learning how to open
Good
it.
job, honey. You have a lot more to do that to on Sunday.
Oh my gosh. He's going to have so much.
At this rate, it'll take 8 hours.
Look at him. He's like, what's in there? Those are the ones Mommy was hoping you'd find.
Honey, what is that?
What
Oh, that's so
are those? I know it.
He
Daddy,
wouldn't even
look.
open the one. Hey! Jesus.
It.
Oh,
You want to put them on?
yay! Honey. Can you say thank you?
Pajamas.
Eli, can you hold them up?
Thank you.
Do you want
Look at him, Mom.
put them on?
Put them on, yay!
He's so
Okay.
excited.
Okay.
I'm going to take his little shorties off.
Your shorts. Yeah, here.
Good job, bros.
Boy, you got him down to
Good job, you guys.
Oh, he's so
Let's go on the
excited.
side, Carter, so Mommy can take it.
Here, move. What?
Oh, I was just trying to just move you over a little bit.
Is your pants clean?
Does he need a new diety?
Oh, he's good.
Button. He's not opening them up tonight. No? No.
Hands.
Oh, just the one. Just the
Yes.
Is he gonna have presents to open at?
Oh, yeah, this he is just opening one.
Okay, because we have ours too. That
Oh,
we
that's
did
so
at
awesome.
Chucky's.
Hey,
Yeah.
come here, buddy.
Cool.
Thank you, Fifi.
He likes wearing those kind
And
I need you to
Jamie
stand,
in.
Okay? Here, stand up. Ugh, ready?
He loves his big footy jammies.
Oh my gosh, he
Does,
does.
you're right.
Put.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he was so
He didn't
excited.
even really.
I usually have him sit in my lap, Jalen,
Yeah, I know.
and then put it on that way.
Here, I need you to sit in my lap so I can get them on, okay?
Or hey, buddy,
What?
I lay him out like this.
Yeah, those were our
And
favorite.
then lay him out.
Yeah, that works when he's like 5 months old.
Yeah, right. Works when he's
He likes
5 years old. Oh, holds them the heads up still. See, he knows what he's doing. He lays
know.
down on him. Okay. Yay, honey!
Yay, jammies!
Thank you, Jesus.
Yay, thank you so much.
You got new jammies.
Yay, thank you so much.
Ready? I need
Guess
your other
what?
leg.
You get to hang out with Auntie tomorrow.
Yay!
Mommy and Daddy are gonna go to anniversary dinner. You get to be with Auntie tomorrow.
Oh, honey, where should we
Yes,
go?
you
Honey, this is
I
going to
gave
happen
you
like this
one
every year for
idea.
the rest of our lives.
I gave you one idea.
Yes, Red Lobster was her idea.
Ready?
Endless.
Honey, we
No,
went there last
no.
year.
Hey.
We did.
do.
I know.
wanted.
They even have coupons.
Not endless lobster.
No, endless shrimp tomorrow for like the month.
Ready?
Hey,
You
Lisa,
tired,
We
baby?
like that place going down
Endless
the
crab.
river.
Lobster even has printable coupons.
They could save even more money,
There
yeah.
you go.
I'm just
Isn't that
saying they
funny?
do that.
Because we went there last year for our anniversary.
No, but pick wherever you guys want.
Yeah. Oh
I'll
yeah.
give you the money for it. Just let me know where you want to go.
Okay.
Okay.
How about the
There's
Ritz
the-
Hotel, New York City, Thursday at 10 a.m.
I don't
for
even know what
breakfast?
we like.
We like to go to the French
This
place.
is
We like
so
to eat
hard.
this pizza.
Scoot down. Okay, there. There we
I like
go.
Tito's pizza. I love Panera Bread.
Wait, here.
You do
Yeah,
too. Quit
just let me
making up
control
lies
that,
to
okay?
people.
The
I'll do
French
it.
eat everything.
You want some floss?
He-
I think
she
it-
wants the one
You know
that
where
you
it's
used.
No, thank you.
You know where it's at? Come here.
Carter, are you in there farting?
There we go.
Hi, Grandma.
Okay, ready?
This is for Eli's vlog.